All right. Oh, one at a time. One at a time. Honey.
Come here, Sissy. Sit. There you go.
Fall on your tushy. Now you're just going to jump off?
Okay, Liam. It's Sissy's turn. Liam, it's Sissy's turn. Let Sissy have her turn now. Thank you. Ready? We all fall down. You want me to do it with you? Okay, ready? We all fall down.
Oh, almost made it back up.
Ready? Come on, Liam. We all fall down.
Yay!
We all fall down. You gotta jump. I'm pulling you up in the air. You gotta jump and bounce.
Liam, it's not your turn yet.
Not your turn.
Jump.
We all. Ready? Jump me.
Hey, Liam. Liam, are you exercising?
Exercise.
Exercise, too.
Ready?
Mia's exercising.
Ready? Jump. And we all fall.
Trampoline.
Fall
Trampoline.
down.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Okay, it's Liam's turn.
Mia, did you have fun? Is that exercising at the
Go
gym?
work out.
Can I get a whoop whoop? Mia.
Let him go. Hey, Liam, give me a whoop whoop. He's jumping. Give me a whoop whoop. Oh yeah, well, be careful there. Okay, it's Sissy's turn.
Sissy, give us a whoop whoop. Exercise. Oh, Lord. Liam's turn. Thank you for sharing. Maybe you'll go to sleep and stay asleep all night tonight.
No, you can't play with that.